This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Sahar and Alino. The incredible views will knock you off your feet. This amazing townhome awaits you to call IT Home. 2-bedroom 2-bath with an attached garage, open floor plan with access to the balcony with views of the pond and the peaceful wooded area. Laminate wood flooring and tile throughout the ENIRE home. Bedrooms offer walk-in closets, crown molding and high ceilings. The living and dining area are inviting and bright and cheerful. Inside laundry with washer and dryer. All living space is on the second level and the 1-car garage is on the first level. Come see your next home. Amenities include 2 heated pools, tennis, clubhouse, fitness center, playground, basketball and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Sahar.